Today I'm going to show you how to cut a cast iron pipe. Go and use this this sewage pipe cutter. It's a ridgid sewage pipe cutter. I won't if you just only go cut one pipe or two cut, I won't recommend you buying it because this is I think $580 just for this. 580 or 600 bucks, which is still 600, around 600. So I'm going to show you how to use it. Well, my buddy asked me, since you're using a chain to cut it, won't you crush it? Just like you cut a copper pipe. You tighten it up, and then you rotating, tighten up, rotating, so it's cutting. These are not just regular chains. These are blade. Okay, and just replacing this chain right here. If you damage it, it's about 300 bucks just to replace the chain itself. Okay, go show you how to cut it. Using it. It's about 600. You can take this off first. And that's the sewage pipe we go cut. We're not going to use this. I'm just going to cut all the copper pipe out of his way. You get that latch up, locked up. Move it to cut, and just tighten this up. Put this on. Put the handle on. See, it's getting tighter. You'll hear the snap in a minute. And that's it. That's how you cut it. A sewer pipe. See? I'm going to take it out for you. See it? Nice straight cut. If you start crushing it, then you need a new change. You need a new blade. All right, because you should have a nice even cut. Like I told you from the beginning of the video, the change itself is about $300. This whole system is about 600 bucks. The best thing to do is you can rent it for 2 hours for $40, or you can rent it for the whole day for $80 or $90. Instead of buying it, like me, I cut a lot of pipe, so that's why I bought the tool. And the tool is about, like I told you, it's expensive. Okay? Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe. I appreciate it.